Okay, first graders, this is the second half or second part of the Bible video. So now we are going to take a look at the workbook page. So, number one, let's see what we need to do here. So, how old was Jesus when he went to Jerusalem? Do you remember? I talked about it towards the end of the video, the first video. Yes, he was 12. Yeah, remember the number 12. Choose the number that tells Jesus' age. Okay, look in the puzzle for that number. Each time you see that number, circle the letter below it. Circle the letter, not the number, below it. Then write the correct letters in order on the blank lines below. Okay, so we are going to look at these puzzle pieces, and then look for the number that tells us Jesus' age at that time when he was traveling to Jerusalem, which was 12. And then you're going to circle the letter below the number. Yeah? So, nope, 12, nope, 12, 12, right? So circle the letter below the number and keep going. 12. Circle the letter below the number. Keep going, keep going. Yes, letter below the number. Do we have more? Yes, we do. Circle the letter below the number. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, one more. Circle the letter below the number. One last letter. Circle the letter below the number. Okay, and now Joseph and Mary found Jesus in the where? Now you are just going to write the letters in order. Okay, so what's the first letter we have? Yes, T. Go ahead and write T. What's the second one? E. Next, M. And next, P. Next, L. And E. Then what word do you get? What's the word? Temple, right. Remember, Joseph and Mary found Jesus in the temple. And who was Jesus talking to? Right, those religious teachers. He was talking to religious teachers, and they were talking about, some interesting stories, I'm sure. Okay, and number two, you are going to draw a picture of Jesus talking to the religious teachers in the temple. Yeah. So remember something like this? It doesn't have to be, of course, it doesn't have to be exactly like this, but just think about those religious teachers and boy Jesus, somewhere standing with the religious teachers. And remember, this place is in the temple. Yeah. So draw something like that over here, and then you will be done. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to wrap it up with reciting the memory verse for this week. I am sure you guys are memorizing this memory verse, right? So let's recite the Bible verse all together, and then we'll wrap it up here. Repeat after me, or actually, let's read together. Here you go. And Jesus grew in wisdom and stature, and in favor with God and men. Luke 2:52. Amen. And what did it mean by stature? Right, height. So he grew taller and taller. And he was loved by God and men. Okay, so make sure to read this Bible verse a couple of times today to try to memorize the Bible verse. Okay, first graders, and have fun drawing a picture of Jesus talking to the religious teachers in the temple. And Miss Jin will be back with another Bible lesson next time. I'll see you later, first graders.